Hello guys, this is the product we made here in High-Tech Engineering. So we are making hair polish for belt. Any diameter that you need is here. And also we make brackets for the Y61 and Y62. And for supercharge, we make it here the different design. This poly we make it for fast cooling. This one is perfectly attached, the locations, alignment. So, and this one is more stronger. So we also produce here a triple poly for this one, for the supercharged triple poly, and so do with the plans for exhaust adapters. We make it here. So any parts that your cars needs, especially for polish, so we can produce it here. And we are using the CNC machines for perfect design that you may want. So you can contact only High-Tech Engineering here in Abu Dhabi.